Beautiful friends, welcome back to the garden with me, guys. Thank you guys for subscribing and liking the videos, guys. Thank you so much. But I'm showing you guys the front door, everything you're still doing. And as you guys know, all my garden is in pots. Because reason why I make my garden in pot is because in the future I will move. I'm searching for my future garden. Still can't find it, but yeah. Reason why, guys, some beautiful flowers and a lot of evergreen in my front door here. And I was thinking, if I need to leave those in the house when I'm leaving, I'm gonna take everything. Oh yeah, love those little decoration. And yes, that's going on here for that front. There's a fountain right here, there, and star. A nice place. A nice place, guys. And of course, Precious here.